is this watch. It doesn't fall off because it has these cool straps, which are super duper comfortable. I know you couldn't see me initially there because I was in my cool hat from American Hat Makers because Nikki and I are going on an adventure. Are you going on an adventure? You need to look appropriate for your adventure and just have that cool factor. So we got these American Hat Maker hats. This is the Soaker hat. I'm going to show you some cool features of this hat which make it perfect for going on our adventure in Africa. But in the meantime, let me talk to you about some other real life things. Number one, right out of the box, super duper comfortable, just happened to fit perfectly for my head. But if you need a little more adjustment, it comes with these sizing inserts and you can absolutely customize it to your head, whatever shape of head you got. I happen to have a model head, so it fit me perfectly. So let me talk to you about some of the things that I really like about it. Is this watch. It doesn't fall off because it has these cool straps, which are super duper comfortable. And you can adjust them. You just slide this up or down, depending upon you. I like it nice and loose. All I want to know is somebody can't knock my hat off. I can't knock my hat off and have it fall in the dirt. Who thinks the safari truck goes super fast? Comment below if you think a safari truck goes super fast. But while you're on the safari truck, you want your head to be cool because you're in Africa, but at the same time, you don't want to burn. So the top of the hat is vented, but at the same time, it is SPF 50, so you're not going to burn your possible little bald spot on the top of your head. So I know I said it fit perfectly out of the box, but it actually comes with a bunch of adjustable cushions and fittings in there if you need to make it perfect for your skull. The brim is still solid, so it's still going to shield your eyes from the sun, but your head's still going to get a little ventilation. Let me show you how cool this looks in 360 degrees.
Look at that nice attention to detail. The shape of it is super cool. It fits your head really nice.
So this is where if you wanted like a bigger insert for yourself, you could put it right in here and that'll tighten it up a little bit on your head if it was a little looser fit for you. So I know Nikki thinks you guys can see this, but I know I'm actually camouflaged. This could not be more perfect to protect my little skull from those angry rhinos. Honestly, the most important thing about it is you could use it for anything. You could go horseback riding, you could be doing work in your yard, you're getting that protection, and you look freaking cool at the same time, and you're ventilated. 1, 2, 3 are all winners. So because they're all winners, you should go here on the screen or down below into the description. Use that link that's there. It helps out the channel a little bit, so I'm going to say thank you in advance, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. Remember to like, subscribe, tell us about your next adventure where you're going to wear your cool American Hat Maker's hat. I hope this was helpful. I'm going back to hiding in the woods where you can't see me. You're like the only man in the world with this hat.